Hey, what's up folks? John here. Today I'll be talking about using the MetaTrader 4 app on your phone. So if you don't have it yet, you can go to Play Store and search MetaTrader 4 and install this one. Then you can go ahead and click this plus button, log in to an existing account. So you want to create a demo account first, and there's a few links in the description and the comments for suggested brokers with great trading costs and support and service and everything. So you're just gonna find the broker, and then, for example, Tickmill. Search the broker. Select the correct server. So make sure you check the email from the broker or the broker page details for the server and select the right one. In this case, it would be Tickmill Demo. And then you can go ahead and paste the password in. Make sure there's no spaces when you copy it, especially if some brokers, if you copy it from the email, it tends to add extra spaces, so watch out for that. And then you can either paste or type in the account number. And sign in. And you can see here, have your charts, have your order execution. So if you want to select a pair, you can search here, and you have your different settings like moving average, Bollinger Bands. These are some of the standards I suggest. So you can go ahead and select one. Just like this. Select the period, the color, the style, and so on. And then if you want to check the prices, you can use this plus, check the supports, and then get out of there, click it again, and you can change the time frame by tapping. So you can scan the time frames, check out the setups, zoom in and out. And if you want to put SRs, you can put those. And settings, if you want to change some things, you can change some colors, stuff like that. Change the color of the bars, ask client, all that stuff. Alright, so let's see your trade history. If you click here in this bottom button, bottom left, so you can see, you can look for more assets. For example, if you're looking for a CFD, find it in there. Or if you want to find a crypto, so you can add that to your symbols. Maybe you have some pair that's not in the list. So when you come over here, you can find your pair. So Then you can either do a market execution. This is the stop loss. So you can paste or type that in. Or you can just click this and drag it down if you're going to do a buy. And then you can also do click and hold up for your take profit target. Just like that. And you can see here on the chart there's your take profit line above and your stop loss below. So if you need to change it, you can click and hold and select modify order. For example, if you need to increase your stop loss, you can bring it down. Or if you wanted to move it to break even, so you would enter the price that you had opened the trade at. If you want to let it run more, you can do that. So you can adjust it like so. And then you also have buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. So same process, it's just these are going to be pending buys or sells. So you're going to enter the price, whatever it is. So let's say I wanted to buy it around here, the support level. So you can enter that price. 197.663. You can do buy limit or buy stop. And for stop loss, you can put it always below. Or if you have a signal that you're getting, you can paste the values in there for the take profit and stop loss. So now when you see, I've got the pending order down here, pending buy, down below, buy limit, it's ready to go for if the price dips down there. So if you're getting signals, you can just go ahead and enter the type of signal it's going to be. They're going to say buy now, so you're going to go ahead and just buy after you put in your stop loss and take profit. It's best to put those in first, just because if the market swings very suddenly against you, at least you have your loss limited. And then if somebody tells you in the Telegram or whatever to do a sell limit or a buy limit or whatever, so it's the same basic process. You're just going to enter the price, enter the stop loss, and the take profit. And then if if the signal provider tells you to move to break even, so you're going to enter the buy or sell price in the stop loss field, which would be the red one here. That's it. So comment if there's any questions. That's pretty straightforward. And take a look at the links for suggested brokers. Thanks for watching.